Hello, this is Michelle Hurdum. In this video, I want to make a 2 months review ever since I have been member of Right to the Future in 2 months, the 12th of February. So it's 2 months and 5 days today, and it's a completely amazing journey, and I really encourage you to take a look of this concept if you're not already a member. Right to the Future, it's a trading platform where you can buy trading packets, and from the trading packets you will receive trading profits 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and the pack first expires when it has earned the packet value in 5 times. This is a concept who has been under preparation since first quarter of 2018, and it's going to be launched here we don't know the exact launch date yet, ever since everything is working, and it has been working perfectly ever since August this year, and it's ready to launch now. We expect it could be in April months. So there could never be a better time than right now to step into Right to the Future. You can go in here and watch the roadmap. They also have future projects. You can watch the presentation, you can watch a video. I have made 20 English videos, small tutorial videos you can find on my YouTube channel, Michelle Hurdum. I also put the channel on my webpage, Affiliate Income Online. And again, let's take a look how it has gone from me. I started with a small silver pack for only $1,000. I actually recommend, if it's affordable, to choose a higher package than that one, but I did it so it's something everybody can afford to join. And from there, I have just compounded my earnings. I have, of course, tested the concept, tested the company, and see how everything is working out. And there is no mistakes in this concept. So it's just to join and enjoy the benefits from it. Let's try to log in and see how it has been going. I have also made a 1 month review, and I will put it in the description below, so you can also see that one if you did not see it already. And we just go here. Now I'm into my profile. This is how a profile looks like. And furthermore, there is an amazing compensation plan here and referral program, one of the best I have ever seen, where you can reach 10 ranks. You can get iPads, iPhones, Rolex watches. You can get business cards and even cars. That's my goal this year, to get one of these, and you can see all that in the official presentation. In the first month, I already reached 2 ranks, and in second month, I reached my 3rd rank, and now my new goal is in the next month I shall reach the next rank also, which you can see up here will give me an iPad. You can see here what I have had paid out. You can see my trading profit. You can see which countries your structure is moving in. An example here, you can go in and say request withdraw. It's extremely simple to find out of this profile and also make withdrawals. And you can see I have paid out already 8,000, so 8,000 plus nearly 400, it will say 8,400 has my earning been in 2 months. So I'm more than happy and proud, and it's really, really simple. If I can do it, everybody can do it. It's just, buy a package, see it's working, find out how the back office is working, find out everything about the concept. I have helped you a little bit by making a lot of videos. I hope you understand my English. I do my very best. And then from there, take your referral link and refer it to your friends, or do it as an online marketer, as me, on the social medias example. So that's it. And the first month I had earned $4,000, so the next month it's 4,300, and you can you can upgrade between the different packets. I just want to show you something because I'm going to upgrade this week again so I can earn even more. Here is the different packets you can choose from. They cost $99. Oops, I just want to do something like this. It costs $99, it costs $249, $499, $999, $2,499, $4,999, $9,999, and $19,999. You can only have one pack at a time, and no matter which pack you choose, you can always upgrade it. You can always upgrade it and pay the differences. Example, if you choose this one for 1,000 and you upgrade to 2,500, you only pay the difference on $1,500. You can only have one packet at a time, and no matter which one you choose, they all first run out when they have earned 500%. And again, it's up to 1.25 each day. I will say in average it's around 0.80. It depends. It can be 1.12. It's trading, you know. So it depends about the daily profit from the trading from the company. One day it can be 0.42. The next day is 67, 1.12, and so on. You can see everything in your trading profit. And again, no matter if you choose a small package or big package, it's all the same. The same also with referral commission. It's 10% in first level, and then you can earn in 8 levels complete, 7 levels indirect, more, and it's also the same. So yeah, and then it's infinitive if you build in a binary structure. But that I will show in another video. So this was just about my 2 months review. Then there is also a maintenance fee. You don't need to think about that at all, ever since it will be ready on your account. So just remember, you need to have for your monthly maintenance standing on your account, and you can see depending on the pack, it is this in dollars. And don't think about, whoa, it's a lot of money this, because it's not, because when you have a pack like this, you earn way more than you ever need to think about the membership. But you can try to make your calculation a little yourself. And again, right now, I started on a silver package, then I upgraded. It went so fast the first month, so I jumped directly into this one and upgraded. I paid $4,000 for the upgrade, and now I want to upgrade to this one. So that will say I shall just upgrade with $5,000. And if we go in here and see, I paid $4,000 the first time, so I have $4,000 already ready on my e-wallet, and then I have $400 here, so $600 more. I'm sure that will come this week. Then I can upgrade to a gold package. An example, let's just take the calculation with 125. If I have a package to $10,000, then my daily trading profit will be up to $125 by doing actually nothing. Just log into my profile and make a withdrawal. I will of course again hide my money and make a compound. I want to take $10,000 more so I can upgrade to the $20,000 pack. But this is something you can withdraw daily. You can, you don't need to compound like I do. You don't need to refer anyone to the program. It's completely up to you what you feel good about and what you want to wish with your profile. That was all from here. I will of course make a 3 months review, and so far, that was it so far, and have a great day. Bye bye.